Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about some of the best cryptocurrencies to stake on the Coinbase platform. So let's begin, guys. So first off, we have Tezos. Now Tezos has a reward rate of 3.19%. So let's look at its current market, guys. Now it has, like many cryptos, been taking a big L's, especially from the highs. You saw that this was trading in the upper $8, and now it's currently about 90 cents. So to help smooth that out, if you're getting a staking reward of 3.19%, or you just started getting into it, it can definitely help out, because I definitely see crypto heading up higher, possibly even later throughout the year. And it's not financial advice; it's something that I'm personally doing myself. So if I see cryptos heading higher through the year, getting some rewards here and there is definitely going to help out. Our next one is Cosmos ATOM. It has a current yield amount of 6.12%, guys. Now, this cryptocurrency has been, taking L's. It's about a third or a fourth from its current height, current highs. But you see that it's been bouncing, consolidating pretty good, and you got some constant buyers entering the market. So if you're getting about 6% coming in through here, it should definitely help out for dollar cost averaging in. And that's what my plan is, that dollar cost averaging on some of these cryptocurrencies where it has pretty high yields. So if it wants to start heading back up, it should definitely be helping out. Our next one is Solana, guys. Solana gives a low amount of 2.4%, and it's not too bad, but it is on a good platform like Coinbase, but it has been stalling right here. So that's essentially a good thing, because it's balancing out. You're going to get some more, hopefully you're going to see more orders kicking in to head up to these higher highs. And if it does that, it'd be a good time to enter and get that staking yield. It's kind of like a compound effect of what possibly can happen. And yeah, market can head down. That is a risk, but for me, I'm betting on it to be going higher. Our next thing is Cardano ADA. Now, this current APY is about 2%, so not too bad. The market has been, recovering, and I do see it possibly heading higher, like most top cryptocurrencies out there. So it has a lot of work to get into, but 2% is definitely better than zero. Like a lot of capital gain cryptocurrencies out there, that's all they are. But this one is not too bad, so 2% can definitely help out, and see if we can head up possibly these next highs as we are, and as it goes throughout the rest of the year. Now we have Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is at 6%, ETH. And if we go onto the charts, Ethereum has been doing really good last few months, especially since June 2022. We're back at that high over here. So if we can see that Ethereum heading back higher, getting that 6% yield should be really helpful, especially when it starts going to these higher numbers. And if we can hit that previous high, like that 4,900 or near 4,800, it should be really good across the board. But those are the top cryptocurrencies that I saw you can stake on Coinbase. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. Also, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Help out the video with a like. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. And also, check out my website, guys. Got a lot of information on here. If you're looking for some business services, check these out. But please, guys, check out my next videos, or my other videos, and I'll see you guys later.